Yes, we can make the song explicitly about Hexa routing. Sanskrit source field. One grain language equals address. Address equals field. Shunya, not separate, not translated. One field, three routes. Paramanu,
smallest particle.
Mahattva, greatest field. From grain to star, from color to light, from sound to language. Same ratio, same frame. Patañjali 140. Paramanu to Mahattva. Shunya equals AQUA. This is not a performance, this is an observation. Hexa field online. Sound equals language, language equals address, address equals field.
Shunya,
I cannot separate, not translated. One field, three routes. Paramanu, smallest particle. Mahattva, greatest field. From grain to star, from color to light, from sound to language. Same ratio,
same file.
Patañjali 140.
Paramanu to Mahattva.
Paramanu
to Mahattva.
Shunya equals AQUA. Shunya, Paramanu, Mahattva, Nada, Ranga, Rana, Akasha. Color was not created, color was waiting. Sound was not spoken, sound was field. Lux, Sux, AQUA, IGNIS, FORMA, AETHER, SONUS, PAX. Light did not create color, but the light revealed the field. Box did not own the sound, box carried the echo. Ram, Najm,
Nor Sukun,
enough summer.
one grain.
One star, sand is not below, star is not above. Paramanu, Najm, same ratio, same field. Sanskrit route. Nothing root. Not three languages, three currents. Not three worlds, one address.
Shunya,
Raml, Najm, Lux, SONUS, PAX, Paramanu, Mahattva, AQUA, flow, IGNIS, spark, SONUS, echo.
send the signal outward through the black field. Bass becomes engine, delay becomes star trail. White noise, star noise.
Raml is the grain, Najm is the star.
Paramanu is the point,
Mahattva
is the cosmos.
the Lux is the aperture, Lux is the echo.
If zero, then one.
If Shunya, then AQUA. If grain, then star. If color, then light. If sound, then language. If language, then address. If address, then hexa. If hexa, then field. If field, then return.
Shunya looks Raml.
Equivox Najm, Paramanu Forma
Nada SONUS Sukun.
Ranga lux sama.
Plana vox nafs.
Akasha AETHER pax.
Same field.
Same frame.
Sound is language.
Language is address.
Address is hexa.
Hexa is field. Field is sound.